Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. Gonna lands up, Miss Patricia. You pray for long life and prosperity. And anytime my eyes close, somebody from nowhere gonna go occupy this space and your family them land. So just mark it down 10. So since as the Prime Minister said we tell life on him, I'm going to play something short with him, then I just play back what him say. Him and Desireen McKenzie, I figure have it out.
Do not allow the evil people to win the battle for the minds. I say to all Jamaicans, think very carefully on what is presented to you. Don't just take and accept without consideration what is presented in a fancy and glossy social media post. 90% of them are lies. Check before you believe.
And the unit cannot be handed down to family. And we have cases where occupants have died and the Poor Relief Department retains the unit and then it is handed over to someone else who is in need.
Absolutely. So Desireen McKenzie, Prime Minister say a liar. So not only I'm saying, the Prime Minister said Desireen McKenzie a liar. Because fear name now, Desireen McKenzie, you know. Desireen, see it up on the screen. Desireen McKenzie. Yeah. So I don't understand. Two of them, boy, they half track now. Here what Prime Minister say again.
Do not allow the evil people to win the battle for the minds.
Desmond McKenzie, Prime Minister, you're evil. The Prime Minister, you're evil because in 2016, you trick him with an idea. We are backfire upon him now. Because you will say, approach the Prime Minister with a solution. I want to come up with this housing program. But the Prime Minister come up with a film owner housing program. And them have the NHT build house. So while the Prime Minister never pumping money in a Desmond McKenzie program, and him nobody do nothing for himself, or this is a money making thing. Because Juliet have to make money because Juliet a developer. Wonder for that I go on. But anyway, all me know say, them a take on a land. Because nobody can come on your land and give so much talk. Me say one woman in a Clarendon, then give one woman one house in a Clarendon. So I hear earlier since evening. And the woman's son said they want to put on a bathroom and a problem. The woman and them have no because woman can put on a kitchen. I mean, say woman want to add on a kitchen and she can't add on it. Somebody will live side of the woman a leaky story. The woman says she feel like push out the house out of her yard. Using and push it down from out of half her land. Because the house make sure live in a bandage because she can't do nothing to the place without consult them and them a gear they run around. So I don't know. And that means I go on over Clarendon. You say woman will add on one kitchen and they will give her a problem for do that. You know why they give her a problem? Because on the paper where they sign, you know, check the fine print, you know. We see them as sign where they write. Here what the Prime Minister say again, nobody not telling a lie about him and Desiree Mackenzie.
So, yeah, you were asking about the social housing program. So the social housing program is designed to assist Jamaicans who are in the most difficult housing situations, meaning that their housing condition is such that it is considered to be unsafe, unhealthy.
Destitute people, you see it now, look on the screen.
And their economic condition is such that they are not able to improve, upgrade, repair, or rehabilitate.
Look on the screen, these are the people that build the house them
working. They are probably retired, they're senior citizen, or they're indigent.
You see them people them?
We also require that the beneficiary has access,
very needy people them.
Permission,
then get their house at destitute.
Permission to use the land on which
impoverished. When I say it,
benefit will be built. So,
them are the people them send my kid
on the program. The first point is through your member of parliament. It's an MP-driven program. All right. So they will take your information. They are allotted 5 housing solutions each year for each constituency, and they then pass these applications on to the new social housing program, which is a unit in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation under housing. And that unit has an oversight committee which takes all the applications. They vet them,
love and respect,
and they do very thorough, very rigorous social investigation. So they actually come to your house or where you reside. They do a social survey. They talk to people in your community. They verify your employment status, your income status, your ability.
So Patricia get one of the house.
They do a thorough check. And then after that process, they then verify that you actually either own the land or have access to the land or permission. And that would include bringing all the documentation and taxes up to date. And then from that process, it goes back to the selection committee to determine whether or not you actually pass the criteria. Some of you may have seen not just a mischievous, but a malicious social media post, which would suggest that somehow this program is giving the houses and then taking them back.
And that make it from the first post, me just watch my boss.
And you know why it is despicable? Because it was specifically crafted to target a program that is delivering good benefit to the people of Jamaica.
Benefit for
why? They are trying to tear down this program for political gain. But you know what the real disgusting thing is?
When I tear it down, my boss, we just want if you run the right way it's supposed to run. So watch this. In case you and Desiree Mackenzie don't know. You see, if I want to build these houses for the people them land, you just leave it alone and move on to the next project. You see, if I'm going to put down this house for the land and hand over the key, you just keep it moving. Nobody come talk about the people that have to consult, you know. If they want to build one kitchen for it. Nobody just build a house and move on. Nobody come talk about when then and they do not put somebody else in it. You not thief as much tax when you just continue to build house till you build out the whole of Jamaica. That means you render everybody. Who did homeless get one house? Now, so if you continue the project, just continue to build house one. So till everybody own one key. We are come talk about you not going to still have hype on one house when you finish and done. You not living at the past. Continue to move it forward. Build the house and move on and just continue to build house. For the people them who need to get a house. So you say the people that have land title and something in order for can get to a house. But when they give them a house, you have to tell them what can go on at the house and what can go on at the house. That is dopey story.
They are playing up on the ignorance of people. Because even people who we would usually ascribe intelligence to. People who are well read.
No, people who only did that trick. I look upon the logic. People who only did that feed with no lie. Then start look upon the logic and say, watch this. So then, me fi have my own land. Then say me have to provide my own land. Saying, them say me go help me because me in needy. And then build more house. So how them all tell me now say, me can't do this and me can't do that. People start to the logic and say, it don't make no sense. Nobody now fight against the program, but when I say, the way you now go about it, not about Andrew, you and Desiree Mackenzie, is that the wrong way. You don't need to build the house them and continue move it, keep it moving. We not go want have mind one house on a bill. On a build the house, that means on a change the standard of the people them living. So from them standard change, some light start shine on them now, money start find them because them life change. And them money, them life turn around now. So you gotta tell me now, say, if them life turn around now, then can't do nothing pan the house. Because remember, them life upgrade now, no. Them stop be one squatters and be one house owner. Them life upgrade. So look at breeze are going to start blow upon them. So money start smell them and start come for them way. You have to tell me so now them have to consult before them can do anything. That I'm madness, my boss, and I build the house and keep it moving. When I change the people them life, that I want to say when I do. Change the people them life. When you can't want to change your life when I dictate the way all them to live. That is madness.
Who are educated but can't overcome their biases would have seen this stupid social media post. And without checking, without...
But no, you make the stupid social media post, my boss. And you say the people them have land title and they don't have to own on tax. And when I go send them a team in the community, go investigate them, to see them well, poor and needy and destitute. Saying, but at the end of the day, they have to maintain the property. Just the way how you hand it over. So that's when they pass on now. You don't have to go spend no more money to clean it up. You just move back somebody in the house on a bill and the people them land. That make no sense to you, Andrew? How that make no sense? Nobody now. I just want to make a fool out of yourself. Because the election is just around the corner. They're on the wrong side of the people them now. So I just be a confusion, but remember the bird did tell you. So these, all the prophet did tell you, the prophetess did tell you, say, that way you do, you shouldn't do it. And you will never sit on the throne, don't matter what you do. And in your time leading up to the election, you're going to bring confusion after confusion. You know, see it start. So you are Desiree now, Desiree Mackenzie. You don't have to deal with that because you never want Desiree Mackenzie to talk it so plain. And him mouth slip on him talk it so plain now. Now you want to make it look like a people spread rumor upon Uno. When Uno put out, we not deal with. Uno build the house on the land and the people them can't sell it, them can't rent it, them can't do nothing to it more than upkeep it, make it stay at the standard when you give them. Should in case and then you give somebody else. So that's what I deal with. So Uno play a dictatorship on people land. And this Mackenzie say you deal with the land business so you can go anywhere in Jamaica and develop without having to ask questions to nobody. These are the job you give yourself. These are the job you give yourself, my boss. So the way you operate in Jamaica now, you operate like the local drugs cartel them. You operate like one local mafia. Continue.
Verifying. Without applying even a tinge of skepticism, would have accepted it because it plays into their bias, looking for something to criticize when nothing is there. And so
of course. Then if you're not going to say you're not going to build the house from people land, them can't do nothing to the house without them consult, you know. You all say if they want to build, there's no way for build unless they want to plan if you go up. You give them advice about anyway, anything they want to do to the building. Make sure so they consult Uno so Uno can give them idea. Then suppose them have one contractor can give them idea. Why don't have to consult Uno? So Uno put yourself in a bandage and I blame people for it. Like you always do, blame PNP for your mistake them. And this year come now, blame the citizens of Jamaica for no foolish mistake. What kind of, you should never say that a thing like that out of your mouth. You should have built the house and move on because you not upgrade people's life. Because remember, you know, the moment somebody, I look on the moment somebody start make some money, in life just automatically change. And start make different moves. So you imagine you have one nice little house for yourself. Seeing, you not think about rent house again, you not think about that again. One piece of load come off of your head now, your brain start work right with it for work now. You start think and start make money move. And feel like, oh, I upgrade my life, more buy one little car put in my yard, more add on one little place for that because the government did give me. We are talking about them never for come consult for all of these things. This come like a lease till you're dead. Like a lease them a lease the lease. Boy, I don't understand. Continue.
Plays upon ignorance. Ignorance.
And the unit cannot be handed down to family. And we have cases where occupants have died and the poor relief department retains the unit and then it is handed over to someone else who is in need.
Absolutely.
So, without further ado, let us sign the social contract.
This is the way you
the
say
social
now.
contract.
Alright, boss. This is the way you are saying now, Andrew. So if you want, so if you look somebody for blame now, blame yourself for this way you're going to say right now. Listen what you say.
Essentially says that you are going to live here. You can't rent out this place to anybody else. So you and your granddaughter.
No, so how you want to go around Jamaica, go build up, be a house, and you want to be the landlord? So you want to be the landlord for all of these houses you build with tax money. Remember that your money, you know, tax money. But you want to be the landlord. You claim say you upgrade people life, but you still want to be the landlord. Remember you said this, let me tell you, you know, hear what you say? Hear what you say?
And your husband will be occupying this unit. And you commit to maintain the unit in the state of repair that you received it.
You commit to maintain the unit in the state of repair as the way you receive it. You're a landlord. You're a landlord. It's a landlord role you play. So how you want, Andrew, this a brightness now, my boss. You're going to farm, G. Oh, you want to build house for somebody land. Not the government land, private land. How you want to build house for private land, people land. And then want to be the landlord for the house. And then your house again, my boss, a tax money bill it. It's not your house. It's not your money bill it. A taxpayer money bill it. A taxpayer money bill, my boss, and I like you bill house out of your pocket. The money not come out of your Desmond pocket. A taxpayer money bill it. So you want to build house for people and still want to be the landlord. That look good to you? So if you look so if you blame my boss, you have to blame yourself. This not look good. You can never want to build house, give the poor and needy out of taxpayer money. And you come pretend like you just say, I'm going to build 2 houses to them people. And your money, my boss. And this is the problem we have in Jamaica. You guys are pretty operate like taxpayer money or phone or that. That is why we have this problem now. If we did spend taxpayer money like a taxpayer money, we wouldn't have this problem. But because I saw you operate, because remember every government and come out come make we know plain, you know. Say him not you know PNP fee money for spend, you know. Taxpayer money, you know. So you know as build up some house for the poor and needy and still a pre like a year money I build it. I want to be the landlord. It can't hurt my boss. So you can't blame nobody for we out here talk. You have to blame yourself to come out and talk this madness.
Ball out! Whoa! Yo, yo, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody. Man or woman.